In this video, I will show you how to install and use my Trendy Colorful Vector Transition Pack for Premiere Pro 2019 and above. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. Today I'm releasing this trendy colorful vector transition pack which you can download absolutely free for limited time only from the link in the description section below. And before we go any further, let me introduce my best seamless transition pack for Premiere Pro, which has the 200 plus transitions and elements, and you can download that at 70% off right now, and more elements are being added to that every week, so you can download that pack at 70% off right now. And before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and consider sharing this video with others. So without further ado, let's get started. After you download, you will get a zip file, something like this, and you need to extract it using any unzipped software like WinRR or 7zip. I'm using WinRR, so I'll just right click and select extract to Trendy Colorful Seamless Transition Pack, and thereafter you will get a folder. Inside that you will get these 13 files. These are 13 Moget files, so you need to install these Moget files in order to use them in Premiere Pro. Now let's dive into the Premiere Pro and learn how to use these. So inside the Premiere Pro, you need to go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics. That way this Essential Graphics panel would be available right over here. And here you will see all of your transitions. Here you will see all of your motion graphics template. And if you have installed any otherwise, you will get the default one, alright? And if you have not watched my previous videos where I have given some of my free transitions or some of my free motion graphics template, you can download them absolutely free for limited time again. And now let's back to the tutorial. So here you have to come to the Essential Graphics, and over here you will see this hamburger menu, and you need to just click on this, and over here you will see this folder, manage additional folder. All right, so just click on this. That would open up a new dialog box like this, and then you need to click on the add button, and then you need to browse the downloaded location of this Trendy Colorful Transition Pack. And once you select this folder, just select this folder and thereafter click on the select folder, and that way it would be available somewhere on this list. And thereafter you need to just press the OK button, and now over here you will see all of your transitions. If it is not shown over here, just search for the vector and press enter, and all of these transitions would be available over here, so you can see only these transitions. All right, so now let's drag and drop these transitions and let's see how we can use it. So basically, if you have a sequence like this, let me make it a little bigger so that you can see it clearly. So I have this sequence, so from this to this clip, so I want to place the transition over here. So let me just browse the first one and drag it over here, and make sure that this transition pack or this transition is between the cut of two clips. So that means the cut point should be in the middle of this transition, otherwise this might not work properly. All right, so once you get this, thereafter you can just right click and select scale to frame size. Reason being that this transition pack is in 4K and this sequence is 1920 by 1080, so you need to scale it to this size to make it work properly. And now if you just play this clip, boom, this is how it looks. Now let's check the second one. So now let's stop the second one, and this is position. And even if you just see this one without scaling it to the frame size, you will still get this amazing effect. But let me scale it to the frame size, so that way this would look much better. Boom. All right, so now let's try the next one. So let me show you something little different, maybe this one. This is much simpler, and I would just place it in the middle, right click and select scale to frame size, and let's play it, and boom. All right, and if you want to make it faster, since you can see this is little slower, and if you want this transition to work faster, all you have to do, just press R on your keyboard. That would open up the rate stretch tool and just drag it inside, so make it smaller, so that way its speed would be increased, and just place them again in the center of the cut clips. And now let's play it. Boom, this works now faster. And let's try the another one. Let's see this one. Just drop it over here and right click, scale to frame size, and let's play it. Boom, and you can see that the duration of this transition is little longer, so let me just press R on my keyboard to select the rate stretch tool and make it something like this. And now let's reposition it to the middle of this cut, and now let's play it. And now boom, this works very faster. And let's try one more. This simple one. This is very simple transition. Right click, scale to frame size, and now let's play it. Boom. And I forgot to tell you that you can even customize these, like over here. If you go to the edit panel of the essential graphics, here you have the option of position and the scale, so you can just scale it more or you can scale it down, but that won't look good. So if you just scale it less than 100%, that's not going to work for this. And let's say maybe for this one, so if I just scale it down to, let's say, less than 100%, something like this, and if I just play it, you can see. All right, and you can even adjust their position, so you can adjust the Y position and X position. So let's play it. All right, so scaling may not work properly for transition because that won't look good. So like over here, if I just scale it down to less than 100%, you will start to see these edges which won't make this transition work. So it has to be out of the frame, or you can just make it smaller, something like this. And let's drag the X position maybe over here, and if we play it, but this is not looking good. You can see the transition has just stopped right over here, which you don't want. So the scaling will not work for each and every transition. But for this, let me show you. For this transition, if we just scale it to, let's say, you can scale it up, but you cannot scale it down, because if you scale it down, it won't work. So you can scale it up to something like this, and let's play it, and boom, this is how it looks. So these all transitions included in this pack are 13, and these are colorful, trendy transitions which are very useful and very popular for your YouTube channel, or you can use them for any kind of a video production you do. Alright, so you can download this transition pack from the link in the description section, absolutely free for limited time only. Alright, so if you are watching this a little bit later on, you may not find it free. And if you have not downloaded my best seamless transition pack, please do check that out. Launch offer of 70% off is running on that seamless transition pack, which has lots of cool, amazing seamless transitions and smooth transitions for Premiere Pro 2018 and above. So download that transition pack and support this channel as well. Alright, so thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you.